Greetings everyone from IIM Ahmedabad. I am Professor Sourav Borah. I am the chairperson of the marketing area. Today I am going to talk about the executive education program named Strategic Market Focus Management, which we are going to offer in Dubai in late February. The program has multiple strategic business objectives such as market exit decision, such as decision about coordinating with different departments. Now, this particular program is useful for anyone and everyone who wants to make strategic decision in their businesses. Now, you may come from a functional background, but this particular program will provide a general management focus. So, one of the advantages of doing this kind of this program is that I have seen over a period of time that people through experiential learning learn a lot about strategic decision making. So, this is a program based on experiential learning where we use tools such as MarkStrat, which is a globally acclaimed tool. And through MarkStrat, you will be able to make a decision. So that means you are going to be a part of a simulated environment where you are going to make choices, strategic choices about your own organization. Along with that, we also have multiple case studies for you, which gives you real-world focus about making different strategic decisions. So I hope this course will be able to add value to your career growth and hope to see you in Dubai next February.